Hi everyone, welcome to another quick session. In this session, we will discuss waterfall model. Waterfall model, a classic software development methodology. So, waterfall model is a linear and sequential approach to software development. You complete one phase at a time and only then move to the next. Think of like building a house. You finish the foundation before adding walls, then roof, etc. So this model is very rigid, and here you should know end-to-end plan. So there is no flexibility. So we will discuss in a minute. So you can see there are altogether seven stages. Uh, so first is system requirements. What should the whole system do? The second is software requirement. What should the software part do? So third is uh, preliminary design. So a rough sketch of how the system will work. Then detailed design, right? A complete and detailed blueprint. So then code and debugging, start writing and fixing the software. And then is testing. Check if everything works as expected. And then launch the product, monitor it, and fix bugs as needed. So although it is step by step, you can go back one step to fix issue, like going from uh, testing back to debugging, right? So only one step back. Um, so now the question is, when is waterfall useful? As I said, it's a very rigid model. Projects with very clear and fixed requirement, right? So where we have clear requirement, we have end-to-end design, and that, as we discussed earlier, that can be good for, let's say, if you want to build a house, if you want to build a big building. So in those scenarios, that will be uh, that is that could fit. Uh, so means environments with less need for changes, teams that prefer structured planning. So if we talk about agile we have discussed in our previous session is adaptive, fast delivery, customer focus, very flexible. So you can always make changes based on customer feedback. You're very flexible. You adopt new changes. So waterfall's very well structured, predictable, and plan driven. So therefore, nowadays waterfall model is not used in industry, especially in IT industry, where things change very rapidly. So, but still, this is another model which we need to understand for the CISSP exam. Only the difference, what we need to keep in mind, that agile is very flexible. It allows you to make changes based on customer feedbacks. We have also learned method Scrum within agile. So that gives you a lot of flexibility, but waterfall, it does not give you any flexibility. So you should have a complete plan. And and as I said, that will work building bridges, buildings, so house. So in those scenarios, that would be a good option. So that's it regarding a waterfall model. Thank you so much for watching this session. If you have any feedback or question, please share in the feedback section.